Okay, let's do the silver cup. Alright, let's do it. Let's see, what do we got? So we got the... Yes, the Grommet jetpack. Take to the skies. Okay. I wonder how this works. I don't know yet. L2. Oh, alright.
Look at him go! He's
Alright. Nice. I like this. Liking this.
The Lombax straight to the knee. He passes through another ring.
Oh. Bye. Bye again. There you go. Oh dear. I really like this one. This is a really cool idea. I am really liking this.
Another ring. Not bad for a Lombax, am I right?
That was awesome. I love that. That was great. Can we do more of that? That was really fun. Like, that was really fun. Okay, the folks have rebuilt the Mangler and given it a few near death. Oh dear. Oh goody. Oh, yay. Alright. Mr. Zircon does not take kindly to strangers. I would assume. I don't know why I was shooting the nightmare box. I don't know why I thought for some reason it was the enemy. But I did, so what do you know? Rapidly. Good. That's always a good thing. What am I up against? Alright. Nightmare box, go. How's Mr. Zircon doing? He's doing alright for a start. For a start, he's doing alright. I love how well the Nightmare Box is doing though. Nightmare Box is doing really well. Is that round complete? No, there's another. Oh, bad. There we go, that's round complete. Oh, Nightmare Box. Oh, come on out, dear. And Zircon, you too. You missed Mr. Zircon. Mr. Zircon, not supported for kids. I don't know. Hi again. Even though you're probably a new enemy. Hi. What's left? Oh, you. I missed you. My bad. I wasn't supposed to miss you, you see. Well done, Zircon. Thank you for doing well in fulfilling the victory that we needed. I'm pretty sure Mr. Zircon gets a son. I'm almost positive that's a thing. Each new jetpack to embark on an airborne assault on your... Okay, yeah. And go through rings, presumably. Oh, maybe not. Maybe... Oh, it's just killing. Okay. You know what? Zircon. Oh, whoops. My bad. Zircon and these ones don't want to die, as it turns out. These ones have a lot better defenses. So, I mean, that's fair, but not good for me. Yeah, this is pretty much the best weapon at the moment for taking on these guys. Can't think of a better one. Okay, thank God Mr. Zircon can get you. There we go. Got ya. Nice. Where? Oh, up there. I see ya. Fortunately, pretty much out of them. Oh, I've got some of that though. Ah. I only see 3, which is worrying.
Really wants to join Nuts for less. Should we tell him there really is no job?
What am I missing? There's one down there. This is worrying. This is very worrying. Where's the one I'm missing?
You might remember Ratchet from just a few hours ago, when you helped Neptune Inventor and Kragg murder his friends and break out of a mobile prison ship. 5,
Die, 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 die! Does that count? Thank Christ. Oh my god. I don't know how I missed him, but I did, and that was close. Okay. I really like the announcer in this game. The announcer's very good. Okay, oh, that's a lot of money. How many rounds of enemies can you... Wait, can you defeat the many rounds of enemies? Wait, not how many, it's can you. Yes, is the answer. Essentially, yes, I can. Kill. Thank you. Oh, this is nearly V3, which is good and exciting. Round 2. That's a good time for it. Basically, don't want to spend more than 20 seconds per round. At least if you can help it. So far going well. Hello. Zircon, come on out. I'll deal with the nightmare box after.
This round goes to the Lombax.
Whatever comes out is going to be seen by the nightmare box. So make sure it's a good one. Didn't go as well as it could have. Oh well. One more round to go. Loads of time. Really. Tons of time. Not even worried. Not even slightly. Oh wow, that's nearly completely V2.
Looks
Wow.
like we have a battle, folks.
Go for it. Wow, they're both really nearly V2. That's cool. Awesome. 11,000 bolts are mine. Not V2, V3, sorry. Nice. Liking that. Alright. So how much would it be now? 1,000! Yeah. Okay. The folks search 3 systems for the meanest, ugliest Gargaphon out there. Now you get to... Oh, do I? Oh. Oh, okay. This I didn't see coming. The rabid Gargaphon. Oh, is it now? Oh, it's even rabid. Well, that's exciting. I meant to fire that over there, where it can be seen by something, I guess. Oh my god. It's potentially bad. I'm sensing some problems here. Yeah, I like how actually you do get quite a lot of experience from the arena. Normally you don't, but actually this game gives it to you. It's good. It's good for me anyway. You know what, I think now's a good time to go to this weapons. The one that might actually get them all, if I'm lucky. Mr. Zircon, where did you go? Actually, Mr. Zircon can be destroyed, it's just we hope that he doesn't get destroyed. Okay, this challenge is actually difficult. Oh boy. Oh Christ, why? I didn't even see it happening. I didn't even see the fact that I was... Oh wow, I missed that completely. I was just like, what's happening? Why is there lava? I just... Oh wow. Completely missed that. My fault completely. Completely accept that. Well, since I've got no other hope, I guess I'll just use this for that. I guess he goes to about that when he's at half. Goes to jetpack fighting mode. Okay, let's go to that, I guess. Mr. Zircon comes out to play. And then we'll see him another day. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know. There's even a siren that I missed. I mean, come on, Teal. How did I miss a siren? It's a very loud siren as well. Oh, this is cool. I like this. Oh, no, this is bad. This is very bad. I've been stupid with how I've been doing this. I'm just like, I'm completely wasting fuel here. Like, completely. Oh dear. Yeah, it's still got fusion grenades. That's good. That's the start. Please die. Oh, I don't even have Zircon. Damn. Don't have enough to kill him with that. That's disappointing. I have to kill him with the weak weapon. Unless I decide to land and get some of that. That is always a chance and possibility, which I took. Cool. Nice. Success. That was a lot of fun. Really, I had a lot of fun with that. And there's my first gold bottle of this world. Cool. Thank you. Victory! Alright, nice. I got a lot of Ramtanium for it. Ah, gold isn't there yet. So I guess we're out of here for now. Fair enough. Should have seen that coming. But holy mother of bolts, we have a lot. I can get the Winterizer! Yes! Beautiful! Oh, why wouldn't I get that? What do I want to upgrade? Oh man, there's a lot for him. I mean, I could. He's hard to upgrade, that's the problem. Wow, there's a lot to upgrade for all of them actually. Winterizer I could upgrade as well. Be good. Might do. What's this range? You know what? I will do this purely for range. Because range on the Winterizer is hard. Breaking Snowmen will drop helpful. Wait, will drop what? Helpful presence on the. Oh, brilliant! Absolutely fantastic. Alright. I'm gonna do Nightmare Box, because what's it? Health and Amplifier. Alright, that'd be handy. I kinda wanna see what happens. And we get to, oh yes! Yes! And the army awaits! Cool, okay. And then Zircon, whatever Zircon can have. What's this? Staying power. Bolts. Okay. Staying power it is. Oh, I can only get one. Alright, there we go. That's done for now. That's pretty fair, I think. Cool. Oh, yes. The Winterizer. Oh, this is going to be beautiful. I can tell you right now, I can't wait. This is a really weird enemy that just exists. But whatever. Enter ship. Alright. So, I guess, since we obviously can't do that yet because we haven't unlocked the gold one, I guess we have to head to Planet Psylocke. So, we will Snog City. So, let's go. There's 2 Rhino pieces here.